How's it going, everyone? Today we bring you Loading Options Fleetneck Engineered Beam Edition. We're going to walk through these 4 loading options we have, explain to you how they differ and how they can benefit you. The 4 options we're looking at today are available on the FMAX 207 rated at 15,500 all the way up to the FMAX 216 rated at 40,000. The first one we're going to look at is the 44-inch wide by 60-inch long max ramp. The max ramp has a super aggressive cleating system for maximum traction. It features our 2-part hinge and spring design, which make it the easiest in the industry to operate, and it's constructed of grade 50 material, which makes it just about bulletproof. Next, we have the XDR Ramp package. The XDR ramps are 24 inches wide by 60 inches long. They share many of the same characteristics as the max ramps in the 2-part hinge and spring design for ease of use. As well, they share the new max ramp hold down latch that we just came out with not too long ago. The XDR ramps are a targeted specific ramp system for hauling heavy concentrated equipment such as maybe excavators or backhoes, giving you the space between the ramps to be able to set your bucket or arm down for transport. Third, we have the classic straight deck with 8-foot slide and ramp combination. This setup is ideal for haulers who maybe haul a lot of general freight or longer material, not so much equipment or vehicles. But when the need arises, they can pull out the 8-foot slide and ramps and still be able to haul a piece of equipment or a vehicle from time to time. The straight deck also offers increased ground clearance, so if you find yourself in low clearance situations often, the straight deck may be a good fit for you. Last is the 12-foot auto-locking hydraulic dovetail. The 12-foot length yields a 12.5-degree load angle, enabling you to load a wider variety of equipment and vehicles with ease. It includes a 2-button wireless control so that you can effortlessly raise and lower the dovetail from the seat of your equipment. As well, the dovetail is rated at 10,000 pounds lift and carry, distributed the length of the dove. You'll notice that some of the others available are only rated to carry half of that. So whether you're a hot shotter, a farmer, a weekend warrior, or an equipment hauler, we have a loading option for you. Check out diamondsea.com to view these loading options and other features. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for all of our latest videos, and we'll see you on the road.